Can you believe that with just a few lines of prompt, AI can automatically create a fully working application with login, a database, and running live on the web? The tool I'm about to share with you is Base44, an AI platform that was recently acquired by Wix for $80 million. In this video, I'll test Base44 by creating a real application from start to finish and share my honest thoughts on whether it's truly useful for you. So what exactly is Base44? It's an AI-powered app builder where you don't need to write a single line of code. All you do is describe your idea in a prompt, and Base44 generates the app for you, including the interface, the database, user login, and even hosting. Unlike other AI app builders like Bolt or Lovable, which often require you to integrate external services like Supabase, Base44 is an all-in-one platform. That means everything from authentication to database is already built in. This makes Base44 perfect for beginners who just want to test ideas quickly, but also valuable for developers who want to save time when building prototypes or MVPs. Alright, let's put Base44 to the test. For this demo, I'll create something very familiar and simple, a to-do list app. Let's search for Base44 on Google. Here it is. Here's the Base44 homepage. Looks simple and ready to start building. Let's type the prompt. Build a simple to-do list app. Users can log in and sign up. They can add tasks with a title and description. Mark tasks as completed and delete tasks. Show tasks in a clean list view with checkboxes. And a dashboard that counts total versus completed tasks. Alright, the prompt is ready. Let's hit build and see how Base44 generates our to-do list app. Here's the login screen. I'll quickly sign in so we can start building the app. Now, Base44 is generating the app. On the left, you can see each step, creating the task entity, setting up the layout, and adding components. On the right, it shows creating your app. This usually takes just a few minutes. And here it is, our to-do list app is ready. At the top, the dashboard shows total tasks, completed and pending. And down here, we have the recent tasks section. It lists the tasks I've been working on. From here, I can mark them as complete or delete them. I just deleted a task, and you can see the dashboard updated instantly. Let's add a new task. I'll create a new task called Finish Homework. For the description, I'll just add Clean the floor. I can also set the priority for this task, low, medium, or high. Let's keep it at high for now. I'm adjusting the description here to say clean the floor before wife comes home. And yeah, that's definitely a high priority task. Otherwise, I'm in trouble. And then I'll create the task. Here's the new task added. Finish homework, with the note clean the floor before wife comes home, marked as high priority. And I can also preview how the app looks on mobile. Everything stays responsive. And if you want to change anything, like the layout, the colors, or even add a new feature, you don't have to code. You can simply type another prompt here, and Base44 will update the app for you. For example, let's say I want the Add Task button to stand out more. I can just type a prompt like, change the new task button color to red and make more beautiful. On the left side, Base44 shows me exactly what it's doing. Here it says updating the dashboard page and editing the task form component. And on the right, you can see the result. The new task button has changed to a red gradient. That's the power of prompts. You don't have to code, just describe what you want and Base44 updates it for you. Once you're happy with the app and the changes, you can simply click Publish. Base44 will give you a live link instantly, so your to-do list app is now online and ready to use. Or you can connect your own custom domain. And that's how we built a to-do list app in minutes with Base44. Everything's integrated: login, database, and hosting. No coding required. The free plan is limited, but for testing ideas fast, it's super powerful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI app tutorials. See you next time.